Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first actionable connection. Open SSMS and verify the SQL Server service is running. This avoids connection errors later. Next, enter the server name, use localhost, /SQLexpress, or host, port for remote instances. Choose Windows Authentication or SQL Login and test sign-in. Once done, expand the server node to confirm system databases appear. This step gets you into SSMS quickly, so you can focus on creating and querying databases. Once connected, you begin building the schema and running queries. Right-click Databases to create a database or run Create Database in a query window. Make sure it appears in Object Explorer. Use New Query to define tables, insert sample rows, and run Select. IntelliSense speeds typing and reduces syntax errors. Make sure to review the execution plan and Messages tab to understand performance and errors. If you need repeatable work, save scripts and use templates. This keeps tasks consistent and auditable across environments. To finish, perform management tasks and a key troubleshooting check. Create backups using tasks Right Arrow Backup or Backup Database and store copies off server so you can restore if needed. Monitor performance with Activity Monitor, check SQL Server logs, and capture problematic queries using Profiler or Extended Events. Adjust logins and roles to enforce least privilege. If something goes wrong, first check the SQL Server error log and the messages pane. Most connection or permission problems surface there and point to the exact fix you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.